we have a first look at the brand new JBL Quantum 910 wireless headset. This has not yet released in Australia, but it will be soon, and I've been super excited to take a look at it on the channel since I saw it back in America last year. From my understanding, this headset is a new and improved version of the old JBL Quantum 1 headset, which was wired for PC. This headset, however, gives you updated features from the JBL Quantum 1 headset, as well as introducing some new features to give you a fully immersive sound experience on both PC and console. So let's dive on in and see what's inside. I have been so excited to look at this, and I can't believe it's finally here. So we have the same unboxing experience as we do with the other headsets in the range. Ooh, but the difference is I can see a new bag design that the headset is wrapped in. This feels like a suede material, which is really premium as opposed to the weird felt bags they used to have. So let's take it out. Oh, this is nice. This is actually like a proper bag. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't even. Here we go. Oof. That is a spunky looking headset. Yes, the first thing I can see is that the headband is different and it's very similar to the Quantum 1 headband, which is really nice quality. All right, so we've got the cardboard off. It is time to now see if there's any power and if it's gonna light up. Oh, yes! Oh, I love these new ear cups. The design is different with the RGB from the JBL Quantum 810. This is very, very close and similar to the Quantum 1. It does have some new line RGBs through the bottom of the cup. You'll see them light up around here, but it's time for the comfort test. Oh my God, these feel so good. I can't explain to you how much I love the Quantum products just from a comfort perspective alone. Like, they're just so premium, guys. Oh, I love it. So this is our manual and warranty information. And then in here, we have our little pack of accessories. So because this headset does have some new features in regards to spatial audio, we do have a few different cables. The first cable is a USB-C to A cable, which is our charging cable. We've seen that a million times. Then we do have our auxiliary cables, so 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. And you can use that if you want to use the headset as a wired headset. And this little device here is very important because this is a microphone that allows you to adjust and set the settings for your spatial audio. This is required to do that through the JBL Quantum Engine software, so we'll touch on that soon. But one thing I'm really keen to see is this new dongle design. It is a USB-A dongle that is attached on top of a USB-C dongle. So this does have an extension should you need to put it into a console that doesn't have a USB-C connection. This is a new feature on a Quantum product. I haven't seen that before. This is so nice. Like, I just can't explain to you how premium this feels. Oh my God, I could sleep in this. So in this hand, I have the JBL Quantum 810 headset, and in this hand, I have the JBL Quantum 910 headset. So to me, the ear cups on the 910 definitely look slightly bigger than the 810. We still have the same memory foam padding underneath the headband, as well as memory foam on the ear cups as well, which has always been just top of the range. It's real premium leather. They've got such a nice squish to them, and they really just feel like a cloud is on your ears. It's so nice and soft. I absolutely love how it feels and how it looks on the head. So now that we have them unboxed, we will quickly talk about some of the features. So the first feature about the JBL Quantum headset is that it is 2.4 gigahertz low latency wireless. And if we know anything about the wireless connectivity of a JBL Quantum headset, we know that it is such a stable connection. I genuinely have never had a dropout of connection with a wireless headset from them before. You do of course have the option to use them wired as well, but the whole point of buying these is that they are wireless. That is the way you would want to use them. The next feature, which I love this feature, is that the 910 is play and charge compatible. So JBL have only introduced this feature from the 610 and the 810 series. So the 910 being the next in the series, it makes sense to have this. But you do have 39 hours of battery life on these with the RGB lights turned off. And that is if you use the dongle. This headset is a dual connection headset, so it means it does also have Bluetooth built in. So if you are using it as a Bluetooth headset, you will get up to 45 hours of battery life with the lights off. That is huge, but the fact that you can play and charge makes it so much better, because there genuinely is nothing worse than your headset dying mid-game or mid-live stream. It honestly is like the worst thing to happen to a gamer. My favorite feature is the active noise cancelling. So they're definitely active noise cancelling, and it really is a noise isolation like no other. I've never felt so immersed in a game before with noise cancelling until I use the JBL Quantum headphones. They really put you in an environment where you just can't hear anything around you. And when my sister used to live with me, I remember she came home one day while I was mid-COD sesh, and I was wearing the 800 at the time, not the 810, and I had the sound up, noise cancelling on. I was so lost in my game that I didn't know she came home until she jumped in front of me and scared the life out of me. It just really blocked out all noise. It was so funny. My soul literally left my body, but it was a true testament to how good the ANC is. So I touched before on the dual wireless connection, and what this means is you can use the dongle for gaming on a device that takes USB or USB-C, but you also have the option to use these with Bluetooth. Now, I'm not sure if you can use them at the same time, so I will test out whether you can have the headset connected to a console for gaming and have your phone connected via Bluetooth at the same time. That'll be interesting to see, so definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will include that in my full review, which will be coming soon. So the question is, why would you buy this headset? Well, there's actually two sound features that give you different sound experiences for different platforms. The first feature is the JBL Quantum Sphere 360, and this is exclusive to PC. You do need the JBL Quantum engine software for this to work, and this feature gives you 3D audio positioning to help enhance your natural instincts, which should give you a competitive edge when it comes to gaming. I expect this feature to work the best for games that are shooters, because it's really going to help you, hopefully, pinpoint where your enemies are. The next sound feature is the JBL Quantum Spatial 360, and what that gives you is integrated head tracking for console. This feature on console means you don't actually need the JBL Quantum engine software, but I don't think it'll give you customization features. It'll probably just be set to one standard level, but again, I will check this out when I do my review. So these features are new, but we still do have the amazing JBL Quantum Sound Signature, which is a surround sound experience that I have not seen in a headset ever. It really gives you a fully immersive sound experience and just throws you deep into your games. It's like a massive party for your ears. So this has been a first look and unboxing of the JBL Quantum 910 headset. I am so excited to get these tested out and reviewed for you guys, because I have been waiting for these since I saw them announced last year. But we have also been told, as you guys would see from my previous CES Quantum video, that JBL are also releasing these specifically for the consoles, so PlayStation and Xbox, but the PlayStation version is white, and I cannot wait to get my hands on those, because we all know that white is my aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said earlier, make sure you subscribe, because I will do a full review on this, and hopefully it gives you a little bit more insight into making your purchase when they do release in Australia. Or if you're overseas, I think you can get your hands on them now. I'll catch you in my next video. Oh, these just look so good.